Their leader, whose suit bore the number 14, reached a mammoth girder and worked his way along it up to a peculiar-looking bulge. The whole immense structure vanished, leaving men and boats in empty space. Sawtelle gasped. "Snowden, are you holding them?" "No, sir. Faster than light. Hyperspace, sir." "Mr. Ashley, did you have your inner space rig set?" "No, sir. I didn't think of it, sir." "Dr. Cummings, why weren't yours out?"
"I didn't think of such a thing either, any more than you did," Sandra said.
Ashley, the communications officer, had been working the radio.
"No reply from anyone, sir," he reported. "Oh, no," Sandra explained. Then, "But look, they're firing pistols, especially the one wearing number 14. But pistols?"
"Recoil pistols. 63s for emergency use in case of power failure," Ashby explained.
"That's it. But I can't see why all their power went out at once. But 14, that's Hilton, is really doing a job with that 63. He'll be here in a couple of minutes."
And he was.
"Every power unit out there, suits and boats both, drained," Hilton reported. "Completely drained. Get some help out there fast."
In an enormous structure deep below the surface of a far distant world, a group of technicians clustered together in front of one section of a 2 miles long control board. They were staring at a light that had just appeared where no light should have been.
"Someone's brain pan will be burned out for this," one of the group radiated harshly. "That unit was inactivated long ago, and it has not been reactivated."
"Someone committed an error, Your Loftiness."
"Silence, fool. Stretts do not commit errors."
As soon as it was clear that no one had been injured, Sawtelle demanded,
"How about it, Hilton?"
Structurally, it was high alloy steel. There were many bulges, possibly containing mechanism. There were drive units of a non-Terran type. There were many projectors, which, at a rough guess, were 100 times as powerful as any I have ever seen before. There were no indications that the thing had ever been enclosed, in whole or in part. It certainly never had living quarters for warm-blooded, oxygen-breathing eaters of organic food.
Sawtelle snorted.
"You mean it never had a crew?"
"Not necessarily."
"Ah, what other kind of intelligent life is there?"
"I don't know, but before we speculate too much, let's look at the tri-di. The camera may have caught something I missed." It hadn't. The three-dimensional pictures added nothing. "It probably was operated either by programmed automatics or by remote control," Hilton decided finally. "But how did they drain all our power? And just as bad, what and how is that other point source of power we're heading for now?"
"What's wrong with it?"
Sawtelle asked. "Its strength. No matter what distance or reactant I assume, nothing we know will fit. Neither fission nor fusion will do it. It has to be practically total conversion." End of Chapter 1.